Technology is all around us. From transportation to telecommunication, from education to health, from governance to banking. All kinds of activities are today embedded with information technology. IT revolution has transformed the world into a global village, connecting everyone, accessible to everyone, and empowering each one. This new revolution has opened the door for unlimited opportunities, driving major social and economic changes. India has indeed emerged as the new center of activity of this revolution. In India, one undisputed leader riding the apex of IT revolution is Chandigarh, the city beautiful. In Chandigarh, a pioneering role in harnessing and leveraging the information technology has been played by the Society of Promotion of IT, an icon of spearheading initiatives in information technologies. A frontrunner in technical innovation, the Society for the Promotion of Information Technology was established in 2001 under the aegis of Department of Information Technology, Chandigarh Administration, with the mission to lead the Union Territory in information technology and implement the IT policy of Chandigarh Administration and promoting information technology. And today, of course, it stands for more than it. Steady and systematic diversification has seen the SPIC spread its seminal presence across a swathe of critical spheres like e-governance, education and training, software development and exports, consultancy services, etc. Parallelly, it explores avenues for establishment and functioning of data processing computer centers by boasting low-cost infrastructure and imparting training in high technology areas to create competent professionals in state-of-the-art technologies. SPIC Center of Excellence started its sustained operations in 2001, and since then it has helped professionals and students to buff up their career and creating a talent pool for IT industry. The center conducts high-end professional certified programs like Python with machine learning, AngularJS with Node.js and Ionic, data science with R programming, advanced Java, advanced PHP, networking, Android programming, big data and much more. SPIC under the aegis of Department of IT, Chandigarh Administration is committed to bring good governance to the doorsteps of the citizens and to reach the unreached. A real example of reaching out to provide efficient service delivery system can be witnessed on this portal eSampark. Managed by SPIC, eSampark is an initiative of the Department of Information and Technology that brings together the services of all departments under the one umbrella and provides citizens of Chandigarh multi-service single window experience. The effort is on to create a seamless, hassle-free, more efficient and transparent public delivery system. Total 78 government to citizen, government to business and business to consumer services are provided through a network of 20 eSampark centers, 10 kiosks and 14 Gram Sampark centers. Project Sampark is about touching the lives of people in more ways than one.
जब संपर्क नहीं बने थे 1:30 बजे बिल खिड़की बंद हो जानी, जुर्माने ठुक जाने, पब्लिक को बहुत लाइनों में भटकना पड़ता था, झगड़े हो जाते थे। जब से ये संपर्क बनाए ये लाइनें ख़त्म हो गई। कोई 5 बजे के बाद आके बिल जमा करा देता है, 8 बजे तक ये खुला रहता है, ये सेवा करते हैं।
It provides digital transaction facilities at Sampark centers with card swipe POS machines as well as online transactions through its web portal and mobile app.
ये संपर्क ऑफिस से हमें बहुत फ़ायदा है। हम हर तरह के बिजली, पानी और टेलीफोन के बिल जमा कराते हैं और सीनियर सिटीजन के लिए एक अलग क्यू है जो हमें 5 मिनट में फ्री कर देते हैं।
It has wrought a dramatic transformation in the use of digital payment mode.
मैंने यहाँ से बस पास अप्लाई किया है और रेजिडेंस सर्टिफिकेट अप्लाई किया और भी बहुत कुछ अप्लाई किया है, तो हमें ज़्यादा दूर नहीं आना पड़ता।
स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी बहुत बेनिफिट है, जो जितने फॉर्म्स हैं कंपटीशन के वो ऑनलाइन उनकी पेमेंट जो है वो कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर।
On an average, 7,500 digital transactions are processed at Sampark centers, which in itself reflect the strong commitment of SPIC towards the goal of creating a transparent and efficient service delivery system. Software development is a major thrust area on which SPIC is working. SPIC offer end-to-end G2C, G2G and G2B applications and solution development services for the implementation of front-end and back-end computerization of the various departments of Chandigarh administration. SPIC is fully committed to adding technological marvels for business-friendly service functions and specializes in application development, web application development, wide area network solution, project management, turnkey project, database solution, mobile application development, website development. The result of this has been the creation of some of the in-house web-based projects, websites and mobile apps. To name few, e-education, higher technical and school education, animal husbandry, municipal corporation, property tax, both commercial and residential, vendor management software, Sampark project online payments, Chandigarh prison department, e-commerce solutions, Haryana census department, tourism, sports department, museum and art gallery, Sampark online registering and licensing authority, mobile RLA, etc. Yet another area of excellence for the SPIC lies in the field of technical consultancy. SPIC provides end-to-end technical hardware and software solution to the departments of Chandigarh, Punjab and Haryana. SPIC has implemented a large number of networking and CCTV-based security projects in various departments of Chandigarh administration within stipulated cost and time frame. With its core competences, SPIC is also making a contribution in the field of human resource. SPIC has a better understanding of industry which it operates and recognizes the swift demand of trained manpower in the field of IT. As of now, SPIC has deployed more than 800 trained professionals in various departments of Chandigarh administration. SPIC, in a quiet yet measured manner, has been subtly bringing about path-breaking changes in the IT sector and is continuously improving education systems. eCampus, an online admission portal, is indeed a brilliant story of meticulous planning, execution and implementation of e-governance in colleges and digitizing the process of admissions.
I have used the site dhe.cht.gov.in and it really helped me to fill my online form for the admission in the colleges of Chandigarh registered with Punjab University.
It had all the information about all the colleges in the Tri-City, be it government or private,
increasing the operation efficiency enormously by saving the time of students, parents and college administration.
I was associated with the online process of admissions in collaboration with SPIC for the last so many years.
It consists of each and every detail, even the subjects that we have opted for and also the respective teachers that we have been appointed to teach the particular subject.
Presently, it covers 6 government colleges and 6 government-aided colleges and strives to bring more colleges under its ambit.
It is a very innovative initiative. It is the first step towards digitalization. Our country is becoming more digitalized day by day.
Recently, a mobile app is also launched by SPIC for continually improving and simplify the admission process.
I had filled my form through my phone application. It had a very easy access to everything. I just needed to upload all my things on the spot, on the site, and everything was done.
So thanks to dhe.cht.gov.in जिसने मेरी ऑनलाइन एडमिशन करवाई और मेरे लेबोरियस वर्क को बहुत ही इजी बना दिया.
SPIC Incubation Cell is another endeavor of SPIC. SPIC Incubation Cell provides startup, small ITES companies with necessary technical and manpower support along with space lease for 3 years. So far, it has helped and is helping a number of startups, small ITES companies in setting up their businesses.
So one thing which really brought us close together was the entrepreneur in us. So when we were looking for our startup, the space, so then we came across SPIC under the aegis of IT department in Chandigarh. So SPIC provided us the space which we needed. All we had to take care was of hiring and making people work.
Success stories. Company Net Solutions. Incubation period at SPIC 2002-2005. Present office locations. Plot number 15, Rajiv Gandhi Chandigarh Technology Park, New York, Los Angeles and Toronto. Net Solutions, promoted by Mr. Sameer Jain, started low and slow.
I moved into this big incubation center in 2001. We had an office in Panchkula and we weren't really able to attract a lot of talent there. We were invited by the Chandigarh administration to set up our offices in the BC campus, in the incubation center. And I must say that was a great move for us because not only did we grow there, but we also got a lot of support from the government as well as the incubation center itself.
They begin their business from SPIC IT Incubation Center as a web service provider, and by the time they left SPIC, this company doubled in size and quadrupled in revenue. Bebo Technologies. Incubation period 2004-2007. Present office location T3 Rajiv Gandhi Chandigarh Technology Park. Bebo Technologies initiated their operations at SPIC Incubation Center with 10 people. Started with quality assurance and testing services. Today, Bebo Technologies is providing variety of software development services to various elite offshore clients. At present, company has a state-of-art campus in Chandigarh Technology Park, having a strong team of more than 700 professionals. The successful innings played by SPIC Incubation Cell during the last 17 years has made SPIC stand taller in the IT sector. SPIC Incubation Cell is now shifted to Entrepreneur Development Center building, Chandigarh Technology Park, and entrusted with the task of making EDC building state-of-the-art incubation hub. Present incubated companies: Centelli India LLP, Xenosat, Hemfox, Huline Technologies. SPIC is continuously heading towards its mission of setting new benchmarks in the IT sector and keen on fostering a new work culture in the IT sector that allows it to proactively pursue new business opportunities and forging collaboration. And to achieve this, SPIC has devised policy and is on its way to set up the co-working space in 5,000 square feet area on the third floor of EDC building that would help to meet today's activity-based requirements of the startups. The Society for Promotion of IT has come a long way and has an impressive track record of technology application and transfer, and is continuously looking forward to taking on new challenges, exciting opportunities. Driven forward by an urge to create the conducive business environment and making a difference, it is determined to set new goals and scale excellence in harnessing and deploying technology to improve the quality and efficiency of the life of every member of society.